Hi guys, this is Andrea Cavalcante for Love It by Andrea, and today we are going to do the unboxing of the FabFitFun Winter Edition. I already opened it here, so I'm excited to see. But let me just explain you one thing is that if you are a select member, you're gonna choose more products for your box, okay? And this time I am a select member, and select members are those who pay for a full year of your subscription. So I am a select member, and this time, oh, I'm sorry, there is something on my eye. And this time, one of the options, it was a mystery item, and I chose this one. I don't know what I got, so let's find out together. So, okay, hold the bubble wrap. Paper. Another thing that is really cool is that you can add products to your box. I got the chlorine shampoo and conditioner for $21. It's a really good deal. And because my purchase was over $15, I got a goodie, the V8 plus hydrate drink. Okay, that it was a freebie. Let's get the box. Let's put this there, and let's bring this here. So this is the box. So it comes a booklet, a magazine, explain how to use everything. Okay. So the majority of those items I chose, and they're items that they are surprises, really. You cannot choose, and we don't know until we get the box. This is the Thrive Cosmetics, a brightener, an eye brightener. This one here. Oh, I see what my mystery item was. The Spongel, a body contouring buffer with built-in cleanser. Oh, it smells so good. This one here. Wow, it smells really good. I love it. So these are, I don't remember if I chose or if this one is for everybody, but this is the black, I think that it pronounces black eye mask. So it comes, let me see how many comes in here. Oh, it comes like 5 masks, 5 eye masks. This one I chose, this one I do remember choosing it, is the essential oil. So it comes 2 oils. One is eucalyptus and the other one is sweet orange. Those ones you can apply direct to your skin, so you don't need to have those warmers at home. The eucalyptus, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, eucalyptus. So eucalyptus is good whenever you're feeling like sick with a cold or with a flu, or if you have a sore muscle. So the eucalyptus one you can apply direct to your muscle, and the orange one, it is good for, let's say, headaches, to energize, so you can apply to your temples or whenever you have cramps also. So it's really good, so you can apply like on top of your tummy. This is not like a drug, so it's not gonna cure you, but I was raised with drinking tea for everything, so I like those, I don't know how you call it, but this kind of treatments, let's say. So the two oils is from the brand Way of Will. The next one, I was like so excited when I saw that this one was one of the other options. It is the Jade Roller. I want to open this here. So I choose this one. Ooh, please, I don't want to cut myself. So they say that this one is good for wrinkles, fine lines, but I think that is really good just to give you a really nice facial massage. So this one here, oh nice, it's heavy. Oh, we cannot wait to use it. This one here is from Ahava. I think I'm pronouncing it right. This is a hydration cream mask. This mask you can use as a, just like you apply and you wait for 3 to 5 minutes and then you rinse it off, or you can leave it overnight, just to give you like a boost of hydration. I love this brand. I do have their hand cream and foot cream, and I love it, and it smells like really, but really good. The next one, it is a hair treatment. I love hair treatments, especially hair masks, you know. I am like into that right now. So I chose this one. It is from Moroccan Gold series. This is a treatment mask, intense care for dry and damaged hair. So this one has argan oil. Let's see here. It's a decent size. So it's this one here. Let's see if it it smells good. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, last two products. So I'm gonna get this one here. So this is a frill from Mark and Granham. So I just this color. So this one you can just like put like on the sofa. You can have it. Let me see. Oh, you can have this one in your car. Oh, see, it's beautiful. I like it. Oh, and it's warm too. Yay! I love it. Okay, let's put this here. And the last one, yeah, the last one. It is the Halston. I think that you pronounce it Halston. It is a jewelry portfolio. I chose this one because I wanted to have, whenever I travel, I wanted to have like all my jewelry organized. And oh, it's a decent size. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like huge, but it's not. So it's like this one here. Let's open. you have here a space. This one here is for you to put like your earrings. Here you can put like rings. Here your bracelets. Here your necklace. And something else in here. Wow, I like it. Ooh. Good, so now I'm gonna be really organized whenever I travel. So for only $49.99 you get products that it's really worth more than that. Let me see here. I think that it's over $300 depending on your selection, for only $49.99. And the fact that the FabFitFun, it is just like 4 times a year, that makes me sad, but at the same time it builds, you know what I mean, that you get like really anxious to know like what we're gonna have the next box. So I really love them. If you want to sign up, I have like a special code here. I'm gonna put like on the descriptions down below, and you can save $10 on your first box. So hurry up because they fill up fast. I hope you guys liked this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? See you next time. Bye.